What are the responsibilities of a juror? Imagine being called to serve in a court of law, where your decision could influence the lives of individuals and the course of justice itself. When summoned as a juror, you step into a role that is fundamental to the legal system and the fair administration of justice. Your responsibilities are both serious and vital, ensuring that trials are conducted fairly and that verdicts are based solely on the facts presented. The primary duty of a juror is to listen carefully to all the evidence and testimony provided during the trial. This includes paying close attention to witness statements, expert opinions, and physical evidence such as documents or objects introduced by the parties involved. Jurors are expected to remain as impartial and open-minded, setting aside any personal biases or preconceived notions that might influence their judgment. Jurors must also understand and apply the law as instructed by the judge overseeing the case. The judge provides legal guidelines that define the elements of the charges and the standards of proof required to establish guilt or innocence. It is the juror's responsibility to consider only the evidence presented in court and to follow these instructions meticulously when deliberating. During deliberation, jurors engage in discussions with fellow members of the jury panel to reach a consensus. This process involves weighing the credibility of witnesses, evaluating the strength of the evidence, and considering the legal standards. Jurors are tasked with making a unanimous decision in most criminal cases, meaning all members must agree on the verdict. In civil cases, the requirement for consensus may vary depending on jurisdiction, but the goal remains to reach a fair and just conclusion. Throughout the trial and deliberation process, jurors are expected to maintain confidentiality. Discussions about the case outside the jury room are prohibited to preserve the integrity of the proceedings. Jurors must also be punctual, attentive, and respectful to everyone involved, including the judge, attorneys, witnesses, and fellow jurors. In addition to making a verdict based on the facts and law, jurors have a civic duty to serve diligently and responsibly. Their role is crucial in upholding the principles of justice, ensuring that both the accused and the accuser receive a fair trial. Serving as a juror is a significant responsibility that contributes to the foundation of a fair and equitable legal system.